Good morning, folks. My name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2019 Coachmen Chaparral 92 MBL. This is a great family floor plan, or even if you need a second room for an office or something, it can work out great. Let's go inside and take a look at this coach. You've got the nice 4-step aluminum step entry. And this just came in, so I apologize, the chairs aren't put down, but it's got a dining room table with 4 chairs. You've got a huge TV, what is this, 55-inch TV, fireplace, DVD, CD player, Thomas Paine furniture. It has the theater seating that reclines, a trifold sofa that turns into a nice sleeper. You've got the solid counter surfaces. It's got a nice stainless steel sink in it. Very nice sink, real deep. You've got the 18 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator freezer. Microwave, gas grill top, gas oven. And it's got storage down here on the other side of the island. Place actually for a garbage can, a bank of drawers. More drawers over here, kind of a coffee bar. Some nice open glass cabinets. And a great pantry. Pendant lights over the ceiling fan. Of course, ducted air conditioning, fantastic fan above your kitchen, which is always nice to have. You step in here and you've got the second office, or a little office or a bunk room. This turns into a nice sleeper. It has a pre-wired mount for a TV. Nice storage in here, a closet, bank of drawers. It's great storage, all LED lighting all the way throughout this coach, by the way. Let's go ahead and step on up here. Notice the steps are not carpeted. They're a solid step, which makes it so much nicer. That's a place where carpet wears out. Now, if you are using it for a family coach, it's got another bunk here, which also works great for storage. Check out the size of this shower. A huge shower with a seat, nice trifold glass doors, vanity, hooks over above your porcelain toilet, and some linen storage. Nice king size bed. Notice windows on each side of the bed for cross ventilation. Another pre-wired mount for a TV. Wardrobe here. Pre-wired for a combo washer and dryer here, with a drawer underneath. And more closet space over here. I want to point out something as we're walking out the door here. I don't know if we can get a close-up of this, but this sheet right in here, this white sheet, is Asdale. There are 2 types of constructions that a coach will use. Either Asdale, which is a non-wood product, won't mold, won't mildew. The advantage is you don't see delamination, and it has no formaldehyde smell, and it's 50% less weight. Great product, and very, very strongly built. Let's go ahead and take a look outside. You've got a power awning. It's got the alloy wheels. Great storage underneath. The doors attach with the magnets, so they're really nice. You don't have to deal with the clips or anything. It's got the 6-point level up system. electric. It's got a outside kind of party station. It's got another big screen TV, little electric fridge, pull-out grill, and then another little tray here for prep space. It's got the ladder to access the roof, little stinger for a a bike rack. Your docking station here. You've got, of course, a black water flush, city water hookup. All your wastes are inside, so they're not going to freeze up. Winter bypass. Folks, once again, this is a 2019 Chaparral. My name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. We've got a great selection of other models. This is just one of many. You can reach me on my cell phone at 541-521-8914. Thank you very much for your time.